exponentials. Exponentials, there are 4 different types of shapes here, and that all depends on where the negatives appear. An exponential graph is one where the x is in the exponent. Exponential. Okay? It's like power. The x is the power. Whereas for all the other ones that we've looked at, the quadratics and the cubics, the x was the base. It was raised to a power of a number. So that's the main difference here. It has a different shape. It only has one part to it. It's different to the hyperbola because of that. The hyperbola had 2, whereas the exponentials only have one part. And it's only the part that applies. So I'm going to walk through them. Here we have y equals a to the x. Any number to the x, the a will determine where this crosses. Okay, so it just looks like that. Just checking the directions. Okay. Now, if I reflect that to minus a to the x, you can probably see it all the way over there. What does it look like? It's reflected. Down. Positive. Negative. Still reflection. And negatives is about direction. Even with number. Positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative. Okay, it's about direction. Reflection. The next one is when we have the negative exponent and it flips from being that way to that way. So it's also reflection, but on the other axis. Okay, so it's reflecting this way. This one is the trickiest because they're both negative. So if I'm starting with my positive, I've got to reflect this way and then this way. That's kind of like a robot dance. And then the last one I did as a second one before was the reflection from the beginning. These two can vertically translate, which means this would go from here to here, and what moves is the asymptote. It moves from the axis up or down. There's no vertical asymptote in the exponential function. Okay, exponentials done. Thanks, guys.